Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Everyday Loans Review My Usage Experience. Everyday Loans Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to compare various loan providers and their offerings. Its main purpose is to help users find the best personal loan options based on their individual needs and financial situations. The target audience is anyone looking for a personal loan, from those needing a small emergency loan to individuals seeking larger amounts for home improvements or debt consolidation. Key features likely include loan comparison tools, filtering options, and potentially access to loan applications. Their website provides details on the various loan types they compare, including interest rates and repayment terms. The benefit lies in the convenience of comparing multiple loan offers in one place, saving users the time and effort of researching individually. The site claims to prioritize transparency, emphasizing the importance of understanding fees and terms. Availability is seemingly nationwide, though it's best to check their website for the most up-to-date information on supported lenders and regions. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Everyday Loans Review My Usage Experience. I needed a loan for a small home renovation, so I decided to give this site a try. Getting started was incredibly easy. The website's interface was clean and intuitive. I simply entered my desired loan amount, loan term, and credit score, and within seconds, I was presented with a list of potential lenders and their loan offers, neatly organized by interest rates. I really appreciated the clear presentation of fees and the ability to filter results based on specific criteria, like loan types or repayment schedules. The results were comprehensive, and I found several suitable options that I hadn't discovered through other means. I had a quick question about a specific lender's terms, and their customer support responded within 24 hours via email, which was much faster than I anticipated. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive comparison feature. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, though the website was fully responsive and worked well on my phone's browser. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience. It saved me a lot of time and helped me find a loan with favorable terms. That's my overview of Everyday Loans Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.